Young Energy Europe is an important project with significant impacts on society, on the economy, not only for Greece but for whole Europe. The German Hellenic Chamber of Commerce and Industry has already implemented 4 workshops in the cities of Athens, Thessaloniki and Crete with more than 80 participants. During the COVID-19 crisis, we also offered free webinars according to the topic of climate protection. Our chamber has environmental issues very high on its agenda, focusing also on renewable energy sources, energy efficiency, and of course focusing on cooperation and know-how exchange between German and Greek companies in the field of climate protection and green technologies.